The Citadel of s-Hertogenbosch was never meant to be beautiful. It was built as a warning. In 1629, after a brutal siege led by Prince Frederick Hendrik, the seemingly impregnable city of Den Bosch finally fell to the Dutch Republic. After months of starvation, artillery fire, disease, and exhaustion, the city surrendered, and that victory changed everything. The Dutch rulers did not fully trust the people living here afterward. Den Bosch had spent generations loyal to the Spanish crown and the Catholic South. So only a few years later, construction began on a massive fortress beside the city, not to defend, but to control it. The citadel rose from the ruins of an old monastery. Stone by stone, the new fortress became a permanent military presence watching over the city. Cannons faced outward toward approaching enemies, but also inward, toward the citizens themselves. From above, the shape is unmistakable. A star fortress, one of the most advanced military designs of its time. Every corner had a purpose. The sharp angles eliminated blind spots. Soldiers stationed on one wall could fire alongside the next, creating overlapping fields of attack. An enemy approaching the fortress would have nowhere to hide. Even the empty open ground surrounding the walls was intentional. Trees and buildings were removed, so attackers could be seen from far away, completely exposed. In the 17th century, warfare was changing rapidly. Traditional medieval castles could not survive the power of modern cannons anymore. Fortresses like this became the future of European defense, and Den Bosch became part of an enormous military network, protecting the Dutch Republic. For centuries, soldiers lived inside these walls. Weapons were stored here. Prisoners were held here. Troops marched through these gates during times of war and unrest. Then came the Second World War. In October 1944, fierce fighting erupted again around Den Bosch during the Allied advance through the Netherlands. German forces defended the city, while British troops pushed forward, street by street. The citadel survived once more. Today, the fortress feels strangely peaceful. The canals are calm. The walls stand silent. Most people pass by without realizing this place was once part of one of the most heavily defended cities in Europe. But the shape of the citadel still tells the story, a story of fear, of occupation, of rebellion, and of a country that learned to use water, engineering, and geometry as weapons of war.